We can use components or master to quickly create interfaces and use them for team project to improve efficiency. Today, I will introduce how to use the Vant UI component library to greatly improve your work efficiency. Drag in a card component and you can see that there are various types of cards, which are the types we prefabricated in the component. Click on the base drop list on the right and you can switch to different types. I switch it to basic and you can see that the component changed to basic type. Then I search for the button and drag in a button category component. You can also see various types of buttons. I switch the button to primary type. Then I drag in a button outline component and switch it to a default type. Then I change the text of the override buttons to OK and Cancel. Group the card and buttons. Select the OK button to add a click interaction to hide the group. Preview the prototype. Click the button, you can see the group disappeared. Then choose Create Team Project from Current File from the top menu bar. You can upload this component library to Team Project for use by team members so that all team members' component libraries will remain consistent. When you next update this component library, all team members' component libraries will be updated. You can purchase the Vant UI widget library at updated..Today, which includes the component library used in this tutorial.